Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and safe. I welcome you all in social study class grade 2. I am your teacher Miss Lubna. Today we are going to be learning an interesting topic, direction. For that, I want you all to open your books. Quickly everyone, open your social studies books. Lesson number 15, directions, page number 43. Today we are doing page number 43 and 44. Direction. When we want to tell the placement or position of any object or person, isn't it so whenever we want to tell the placement or position of any object or person, we use directions. And you know that what we do, all the time in school and at home. Some question ask about the different people. Where do you live? Where is your book? These are the questions we hear mostly. Okay, so the most commonly used directions top and bottom, right and left, front, behind, above, below. In first picture you can see the one cat is sitting on the top of the cupboard and the other cat sitting bottom of the cupboard. In second picture you can see the right hand. Everyone open your right hand, raise your right hand, and everyone raise your left hand. You can easily understand the concept of right and left. In third picture you can see one girl is standing in front of the tree and one boy is standing behind the tree. I hope you have got idea of top and bottom, right and left, front and behind. But students sometimes commonly used directions can create a confusion when people are standing in opposite directions. Their left-right changes. Just for example, have a look at this. In this room, two boys, Ali and Heather, along with that there is a table. So if we will ask the placement of the table from Ali, Ali says that the table is on his left. However, if we are going to ask Heather about the placement of the table, he is going to say that the table is on my right side. So you see the confusion has been created. So that facilitate in such condition we have used direction. These are special words. These words are north, south, east and west. These are special directions remain same no matter what is your placement, so that there are 4 directions. We show the direction on a map like this: north, south, east, west. sometimes use the short form of these words N, S, E, W. N for north, S for south, E for east, W for west. North on the top, south downside, east right side, west left side. Do you know, student, where is the sun rises? If anybody tell me? Yes, the sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. The sun always rises in the east and sun sets in the west. If you know the direction of sunrise, you can easily tell the other three directions. If you don't know the direction of sunrise, we can use a tool that can help us in finding the direction. That tool is compass. You can see here the picture of compass. Compass is a tool that is used for finding directions. You can see the picture of compass and there is a big needle in the middle of the the pointer is made of a magnet. It always points to north. It is the round shape and has a big needle or a pointer in the middle that point toward the direction. Now student, today we have done the reading of page number 43 and 44 of lesson number 15. So everyone, do the reading practice of this lesson and watch the video carefully and clear the all concepts. And make the title page in your notebook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.